Mighty StormGuard VISAO hybrid wiper blades are an excellent addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with hook wiper arms. Hook wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the blade itself. First, with the wiper arm in the upright position, pull the adapter latch on the wiper blade up with your finger until it's fully open. Next, angle the front of the blade upward and insert the wiper arm end through the hole in the front of the adapter. Now, pull the wiper blade onto the wiper arm until the bottom tab of the adapter locks into the hole in the wiper arm. Depending on your vehicle, you should feel or hear a snap or click. Then, push the adapter latch down to lock it into place. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Mighty StormGuard VISAO wiper blades.